Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery health unknown path. If you're using any iPhone that you're facing the issue that whenever you try to check out iPhone battery health, you might see the error which is unknown part. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you can try, go to your settings here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your softwares. Once you updated your software, just simply go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, just go to your settings app here. And you can try to go to general and go to transfer reset iPhone. You can try to reset all of your settings. So if there will be your iPhone setting issue, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to check if your iPhone battery is original. So if it might be that your iPhone battery is not genuine, so you might get the issue. So I recommend you have to try to change the battery with the genuine iPhone battery. So after that, you may not get the issue again. Or you can also try to contact with Apple support team to get full help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here and then select this more option, select battery, and here just tap on check now. So it will check your iPhone batteries. It will tell you on many things on the screen. Or you can also tap on this continue option and then tap on this get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.